Well, tonight we are hearing concerns about how the COVID-19 vaccine distribution is affecting Publix pharmacies. At one store in Cape Coral, it caused delays in getting prescriptions filled, and one woman tells us she almost ended up in the hospital. Fox 4's Rob Manch is live outside that Publix off Del Prado Boulevard. So, Rob, how is the company responding to all of this?
Well, Jane, I reached out to Publix, and the company did respond, saying the backup that occurred in the pharmacy at this store in Cape Coral was an isolated incident, but it's an experience that has Michelle Finley worried about getting her medications in the future. Finley has multiple sclerosis and takes 3 different medications on a daily basis. But when she called Publix to get a refill on Monday, she got a shock.
She said you'd have to wait until the next day after 2 o'clock to pick them up. And I said, but why? Because some of these are time sensitive. And she said, because of the COVID-19 distribution of the vaccine.
Finley ended up having to wait more than 30 hours to get her prescription filled. I asked her what would have happened if it had been any longer.
I wouldn't have had that prescription the next day, and I would have been probably in the hospital because I can't go without that prescription. That's how important it is.
Publix says the backup due to the vaccine distribution was an isolated incident at this store, and it has been addressed. But Finley tells us she's not the only one who had issues.
My sister, she said that she got a prescription and they could not fill it, so she wanted it transferred to another pharmacy, and they said it would take 48 hours just for the transfer.
Even though Publix says it now has the situation handled, Finley is urging people who rely on medications to be prepared.
Call in your medication early if you can. Talk to your pharmacy.
Well, Publix has only been offering vaccines to the public for about 2 weeks here in Florida. Now, the company said it appreciated us bringing this issue to its attention as it worked to better serve its customers. In Cape Coral, Rob Manch, Fox 4.